Welcome to an exclusive first look at the 2026 McLaren Motorhome, a concept that redefines luxurious mobility for luxury travelers and car fans. Imagine a stunning machine that combines the unmatched comfort of a five-star suite with the excitement of the racetrack. This RV is a statement, not simply a vehicle. Every element of this car exudes innovation, from the aerodynamic, carbon-fiber-sculpted bodywork that alludes to McLaren's racing history to the very powerful yet whisper-quiet hybrid drivetrain that is designed for both performance and sustainability. The cockpit greets you as soon as you enter, skillfully fusing ergonomic accuracy with digital creativity. Even if you're just cruising to your next location, the futuristic dashboard, which was inspired by McLaren's most recent hypercars, puts all the controls at your fingertips and makes for an exciting and easy driving experience. The 2026 McLaren Motorhome becomes an entertainment haven in addition to a place to drive. A retractable, ultra-high-resolution holographic display in the center of the living space is ideal for immersive gaming sessions or movie nights. For productivity while on the road, integrated workstations offer smooth connectivity, so you never miss an important video conference or the newest game release. This is more than simply a lounge. It's a command center that can be adjusted to your every need for work and enjoyment. Unwind in the master suite, where modern style and comfort coexist. The roomy bedroom has a climate-controlled, self-adjusting sleep system that comforts you according to your preferences and guarantees peaceful evenings wherever your travels take you. Panorama windows provide stunning views that let you wake up to a fresh scene every morning. And ambient LED lighting that can be adjusted to your mood creates a calm ambience. The private bathroom is a haven for rest and renewal. At the push of a button, a smart glass shower curtain provides quick seclusion, and the waterfall shower and integrated aromatherapy system provide a spa-like atmosphere. Every surface is embellished with high-quality, sustainably sourced materials, demonstrating McLaren's dedication to luxury and environmental awareness and turning every minute of your daily routine into an indulgence. For the gourmet cook, the McLaren Motorhome's kitchen is a marvel of gourmet aptitude and compact efficiency. Making delicious meals on the go has never been simpler thanks to features like cutting-edge induction cooking services, a molecular gastronomy kit for the daring chef, and an integrated smart pantry that keeps track of your supplies. This kitchen can accommodate everything from a short snack to a multi-course dinner party, demonstrating that culinary perfection is unrestricted even when on wheels.